Hi, what's up guys? This is Alexander Bosko, and today I am going to show you guys how to replace the Blu-ray case if it's broken or scratched or anything like that. So this is the replacement one, by the way, and the case I'm going to replace today is Alice in Wonderland, because it will not close all the way, like from the bottom here and the top here. So the first thing you guys want to do, I'll just open up the case and take the discs out. Here's the Blu-ray disc. I'll set that aside and take the paperwork out of there, and one more disc. Okay, now you have that done. Now take out the cover. You have to take it out very carefully here. Now it's out of this case. I may throw this case away because it will not close all the way. As I said before, I'm going to set that aside. And now go to your replacement case and put this in carefully. Put it in very carefully, as I said before here. Here we go. It's getting in there. Here we go. Make sure it works. Make sure it's lined up. Yep, just like that. And now get the discs and the paperwork. I'm gonna put in the discs first. Oops, sorry about that. Put in disc number 1, and then disc number 2. If you have a Blu-ray case, it's one disc, then go ahead to put the one disc in there and get your paperwork. It came with it, and boom, just like that, guys. Yep, not damaged this time. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please leave this video a like, a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials, gaming, and more plush adventure time videos, and more unboxings and reviews. And please subscribe if you're new, and turn on the upload post notifications. And now this will be Alexander Bosko signing off, guys, and peace out. Bye, guys.